truck is straight sideways. I hope ain't nobody in it. Coming up 70, I probably got at least 20 or 30 truckers that were like right up on me. If you look out the back, you probably can't see nothing. They don't have no handling in the snow. I'm almost to the Marshall exit at the finish line. I got a snow plow in front of me. Not a whole lot of traction on the other side. I'm the only car out that I've seen. Look, there's the rear view mirror. Can't see nobody. It's a bunch of trucks. There, somewhere back there. They're coming over the hill behind me. It's a convoy of trucks, but they can't keep up. The Mercedes is killing it. I wouldn't brag and boast till I get off the highway, but that's how serious it is tonight out here in the snowstorm 2025 in the Midwest as we make our way to the exit. I'm running about 30 miles an hour. That's because I'm going downhill. I'm almost catching up with the salt truck that was like way out in front. And now I can see the actual salt coming out of the truck. Marshall Paris exit. Yeah, so I'm doing real good. This car is handling and great. It's doing way better than what I expected. Again, I don't have any cars behind me. None of them were able to keep up, and they're playing it cautious, and so am I. And I think because I'm with this salt truck that my handling is good. I got my flashers on. Turn that off. And I'm making my way to the finish line. And I think my rewards will be a nice Coca-Cola because I have done the impossible. I'm so glad I didn't take the rural areas. It's a little bit shadier over that way. But I have made it. You can see the plow truck cutting up in front of me. City over there. Landscape is blowing. It's still snowing. Let me zoom in. Maybe I can zoom in. There we go. Yeah, so that's what's going on in front of me. Time to make my exit. And there's a truck off the road as we speak. But nowhere to go. He's having a tough time. But not I. We have done it. We made it. Just make sure I don't spin out going down here, because it's pretty steep on that side. You don't want to go down there, because ain't nobody pulling you out tonight. Hey, there's a car. It's an in-town car. I didn't see any cars on the highway whatsoever. Yeah, it's that serious out here tonight, y'all. Mo 5007.